Oh, him? Yeah. I know him. It's going to take a while. It happened years ago. Did you know there are 3 kinds of aces? Those who seek strength, those who live for pride, and those who can read the tide of battle. Those are the 3. And him?
He was a fighter pilot they called Solo Wing Pixie. This man was his buddy.
You know, buddy, just look at the view. There's not much difference between those countries from up here.
He is the man I seek.
It was a cold and snowy day.
There's a large scale battle taking place near B7R. Golf team, we cannot authorize a retreat. I figured you'd say that. This is gonna cost you extra. This is PJ from Crew Team. I'll support you any way I can, Golf team. We get shot down, crash where I can't see. Roger that.
The Belgian War is shrouded in mystery. Everyone is a hero and a villain, and no one knows who is the victim and who is the aggressor. And what is peace?